Hey guys, Merry Christmas and welcome back to the Turbo List. I hope you are having a beautiful holiday season, and because it is Christmas, we are tackling a list that is all about snow, sliding and pure winter fun. These are the 5 best affordable winter beaters. So buckle up, turn up the heat and let's hit the icy roads. Let's kick things off with a classic Swedish winter warrior, the Volvo V70 or S80 with all-wheel drive. It's underrated, practical and built to handle whatever winter throws at you. Most of these Volvos come with an inline 5 or a V6 engine, producing between 200 and 250 horsepower. They are smooth, torquey and effortless. They handle cold starts like a champ, and that all-wheel drive system ensures that power reaches the road even when it's icy. The exhaust note is subtle, but the engine hum gives a solid, reassuring presence on slippery roads. The all-wheel drive system is a game changer in snowy, icy or wet conditions. Steering is precise for a full-size wagon or sedan, and the suspension keeps the car stable even when pushed through tight corners. It's comfortable for long winter commutes, yet confidence-inspiring on back roads. And the best part, you can find a solid example of the all-wheel drive V70 or S80 for around 3,000 to 5,000 euros depending on the mileage and condition. Also look out for the typical Volvo maintenance items like suspension bushings, wheel bearings and the cooling system health. Other than that, these cars are very reliable, long-lasting and perfect for winter without breaking the bank. The Volvo V70 or S80 all-wheel drive proves that practical, safe and all-weather car can also be fun, reliable and affordable. Next up we have the Mitsubishi Lancer Ralliart, the perfect mix of turbocharged fun and practical all-wheel drive grip. It's subtle, it doesn't scream track toy, but as soon as you will put your foot on the gas, it will definitely surprise you. The Ralliart comes with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing around 240 horsepower. Of course it's not an Evo, but the combination of the turbo torque and all-wheel drive traction makes it feel much faster than its number suggests. The turbo spools eagerly, while the exhaust sounds kind of aggressive without being obnoxious. The engine is surprisingly reliable for a turbo car, as long as you keep up with oil, timing belts and the cooling. This car has perfect balance between daily usability and spirited performance. Even on slippery winter roads, it corners confidently, the steering is precise and it's nimble for its size. Despite the sportiness, it remains comfortable enough to daily driving. You get a car that's ready for spirited weekend drives, but can still handle the daily commute with ease. Small suspension tweaks or sticky tires will definitely transform it into a weekend backroad weapon without ever feeling over the top. Clean Ralliart examples aren't easy to find, but they go between 7,000 to 12,000 euros. Although when you're buying one, watch out for that turbo maintenance history, some oil leaks, and of course the all-wheel drive drivetrain care. Parts are widely available and these cars hold up very well when looked after. The Mitsubishi Lancer Ralliart proves that a subtle turbo all-wheel drive can be both practical and thrilling at the same time. It's the perfect balance of a winter-ready grip and weekend fun. Sliding into number 3, there is something that you would never choose as a winter car, but trust me, this car is definitely gonna surprise you as soon as you hit the snowy road. And this car is gonna be a German classic, the BMW 3 Series E90 with xDrive. It's sporty, balanced, and that all-wheel drive means you won't be sliding around in the snow that much. Depending on the model, the E90 xDrive comes with inline-6 engines ranging from 230 to 306 horsepower. These engines are smooth, responsive and surprisingly robust, even with winter driving. The exhaust note is subtle yet refined, giving the signature BMW inline-6 hum that makes every commute enjoyable, whether it's icy roads or dry tarmac. With xDrive, traction is kind of alright, allowing you to enjoy the sporty chassis even in snowy conditions. Perfectly balanced with this all-wheel drive grip, making corners predictable and fun rather than nerve-wracking. Suspension is firm but compliant enough to daily driving, and the E90's steering gives you confidence in all conditions. This car gives you just enough traction in the corners to enjoy those slides that you will definitely make on a snowy mountain. And the best part, clean xDrive E90 examples can be found between 4,000 to 6,000 euros in Europe, although don't forget to check for those common BMW issues, so the cooling system components, the vanos and suspension wear. Otherwise, it's reliable, engaging and affordable all-wheel drive option that doubles as a sporty daily and a competent winter car. The BMW 3 Series E90 xDrive proves that you can have your winter traction, sporty handling and driving enjoyment all in a stylish and affordable package. And now coming in at number 2, a true Japanese legend, the Subaru Impreza WRX. The heart of the Impreza is a 2-liter or 2.5-liter turbocharged flat 4 engine, producing between 227 and 305 horsepower, depending on the model. That boxer engine delivers instant throttle response and a distinctive rumble that perfectly complements that all-wheel drive system. When maintained properly, these engines are incredibly robust, handling snow, ice and spirited driving with ease. The turbos pose and exhaust crackle are pure adrenaline on any road conditions. Thanks to the symmetrical all-wheel drive and the well-balanced chassis, the WRX grips the road like nothing else in this price range. Tight corners, icy roads, slippery highways, it handles them all with precision. In the snow, it's practically unstoppable, turning challenging conditions into pure fun. And still, surprisingly, you can find the clean WRX example for around 9 to 13,000 euros, depending on the mileage and condition. And also, if you want to go newer, then you can find the very clean 2010 hatchback for around 9,000 euros. Although watch for maintenance of the turbo, timing belts and all-wheel drive components, but otherwise these cars are bulletproof. Parts are plentiful and the aftermarket support is massive. The Subaru Impreza WRX proves that a turbo all-wheel drive car can make winter not just manageable, but downright exciting. And now finally at number 1, we have the king of winter. It's the Audi A4 Quattro. A full-size sleeper with a natural aspirated 4.2-liter V8 and of course Quattro all-wheel drive. It doesn't shout for attention, but once you hit the gas, it commands respect immediately. As I said, under the hood sits Audi's legendary 4.2-liter V8, producing around 340 horsepower. Stock, it accelerates like a proper sports car, and that V8 soundtrack is one of the best in its price category. Deep, growly, and full-bodied without ever being obnoxious. These engines are robust when maintained. Regular oil changes, valve adjustments, and proper cooling care will let it live past 300,000 kilometers. It's a car that makes every drive feel special, whether you're cruising or pushing it through corners. The Quattro all-wheel drive system gives you incredible grip in all weather conditions, perfect for winter roads or spirited driving on twisty back roads. The chassis is surprisingly agile for its size, the suspension strikes a perfect balance between comfort and control, and the steering feels direct. Upgrade tires, brakes or suspension, and the S4 transforms into a weekend track capable weapon while still remaining a refined daily driver. It's a subtle powerhouse that combines presence, confidence and fun in one package. In Europe you can find the clean S4 Quattro 4.2 for around 6 to 12,000 euros, depending on the year and condition. Watch for carbon buildups on the intake valves, suspension bushings and maintenance history on that timing chain. Despite being a V8 and all-wheel drive, these cars are very durable when serviced properly. Parts are widely available and it's surprisingly practical as a winter or all-year driver. For the price, you get a full-size sedan with sports car performance. The Audi A4 Quattro proves that underrated German engineering can deliver all-wheel drive security, V8 excitement and timeless style. And there you have it, the top 5 best affordable winter beaters. From nimble Volvos to turbocharged Subarus and rock-solid Audis, these cars make icy commutes a thrill rather than a chore. Which one would you take for your winter adventures? Drop it in the comment sections down below, I want to hear your picks. And tell me what is your winter beater currently, if you own one. Also, don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit subscribe also if you want to see more car contents in the future, and have a very good holiday season in your own winter beater. And now don't forget to stay warm and positive, drive very safe in this snowy weather, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!